80,000 pesos in just 8 days. Hi, my name is Chester and I've been in the Forex industry since 2015. Totoo yung narinig nyo guys, kumita ako ng 80,000 pesos in just 8 days trading Forex. Dito nga pala, hindi ko kinailangan ng malaking capital. Nag-start lang ako ng $500 and then turn it to $2,000 in just 8 days. Let me show you. Ito yung name ko. Pati broker before guys. This is November pa by the way, last year. Meron pa tayong mga ibang flipping ulit. And then, abangan nyo sa mga susunod na video. Profit, $1,487. Deposit, $512. Withdrawals natin is $2,000. Ayan, makikita nyo. Starting siya ng November 14. And then, sa pagkakaalam ko is until November 23. 8 days guys, hindi kasama yung weekend by the way. And then, hindi lang ito yung account na nag-start tayo ng small. Meron pa mga susunod. Ipopost ko lang sa mga susunod na videos. November 18, yan, 21. Then, after 23 lang guys. So, profit natin dito is almost 1.5. $500 deposit. Okay, and then balikan lang natin guys. Ayan, that's it. Thank you. Katulad ng mga nag-i-start sa forex trading, na-scam na din ako before, nasunugan ng account, walang strategy or paiba-iba ng strategy, walang disiplina. At para nga para sa mga nagtatanong kung paano ko nagawa yung $500 to $2,000 in just 8 days, simple lang guys. Develop a trading plan and stick to it. Okay? Don't overcomplicate things. Forex is simple, but it's not easy. For those who are interested to learn what is Forex and learn how to trade Forex, message nyo lang kami guys, Telegram or Facebook. And also for those people who are already experienced in trading but still not profitable, just message us. Okay, maybe we can help each other. Disclaimer nga pala guys, Forex trading involves capital. Okay? Meaning meron siyang risk. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Okay? Ingat!